Welcome back to Litra Valley School's channel. I am Diksha and this is our second vlog. Today we are here at the run-through at the practices of annual function 2025 tapestry for the seniors. It's called Tana Bana. Today is Monday, the annual function is on Saturday. So every single day I'll show you a little bit, some snippets of the practices. So let's move on. Our editor here. Hello. What are you doing? You're an anchor as well, right?
Yes, I'm anchor. Of
So
course.
what are you doing here? Go anchor. You can see such an energetic dance performance is going on. Let's go there and let's look at it a little bit clearly. The power, the energy, it's all so high, and this is our western dance, but that's not all. We also have classical dances, we have Ganesh dance, we have so many more dance performances, medleys, renditions, band performances, choirs, and of course we can't forget, we also have our dramas, the play, the reenactment of the Mahabharata.
A few moments later.
Okay, yoga, one yoga pose. High five! So this is Tuesday and we have 4 days left to our grand annual function. Today we are here again outside Shantinivas Auditorium and the practice of the play, Mahabharata play is going on. So let's go and talk to a few people there. Alright, so we are here at the Mahabharata annual play practices and you can already hear the loud background music. Actually, it's a dubbed sound. All of these actors have already dubbed their lines. And we are here at the practices. We can see how tense our teachers are trying to perfect the acting and making sure that each expression that plays on the actor's face is correct and is accurate. So let's have a look at this.
Good afternoon.
So what are you feeling about our annual function practice? Is it going well?
It is going well, and I believe the final outcome will be perfect. Brilliant.
Do you have any fun thing to tell us behind the scenes?
Behind the things, we are working under very lot of stress, and I believe that there are a lot of fun facts.
To tell us?
Nothing. Just wait for 20th of December.
Wait for 20th of December. Let's talk to Reena ma'am as well. Where is Reena ma'am? Where is Reena ma'am? Hi ma'am.
हाय
Mahabharat.
महाभारत ये एक प्ले नहीं है। मैं इससे बताना चाहती हूँ कि अन्याय क्या है। उस समय जो द्रौपदी के साथ अन्याय हुआ और आज की स्त्रियों के साथ जो अन्याय हो रहा है उसके खिलाफ आवाज उठाना इस महाभारत के माध्यम से दिखाना चाहती हूँ।
I think this is going to be a hit play, right ma'am?
एकदम exactly.
Okay. So guys, I'm here in the green room and we can see the chaos even during the day of run-throughs. We have so much chaos going on, but I believe it's all going to be worth it when you see the final video. And I'm here right now with one of our anchors backstage. What's your name?
आदित्य प्रकाश।
And you are one of our anchors, right?
Yes.
So, do you have anything you'd like to share with us?
No.
The next day.
We are back at the auditorium and it's Wednesday, and today we are looking again at the practice of the drama of Mahabharata for annual function. But we have seen quite a bit of that, so let's move on to the anchoring practice. What gives an event its structure are the anchors. So we are here at the anchoring practices are going on. So let's talk to the guide Ipshita ma'am. So good morning ma'am.
Good morning, Diksha.
So Can you tell us how you're teaching students to have like perfect pronunciation and everything?
Yeah, a lot of effort is going on. Students have been preparing for over a week now, and we are checking on the pronunciation especially. We are also taking the help of the Google, and finding out the correct best pronunciation. So that is being very thoroughly taken up by our anchors.
Okay.
So we have a group of 8 anchors. Roles have been assigned to them, and they are working hard. They are trying to make the anchoring conversation. So that is the highlight of our
Okay.
anchoring this time.
Okay. So let's have a look at the practice.
We are fortunate to have some married life. Don't want to say let us invite.
Let us invite a respected principal to the stage to address the gathering and officially fire up the program.
We are here at the venue, practice venue for the Western dance, and currently they're not practicing, but they're. What are you guys doing?
What? We are lighting up the shoes. We are making.
Lighting up the shoes.
Yeah,
Because
we need that because we are dancing with the lights in the shoes.
all right, look at the pretty lights. So all of your shoes are going to be lighted, and I've even heard that you're going to be wearing gloves.
Yes.
So there's going to be white gloves, lighted up shoes, and beautiful costumes. Stay tuned for the Western dance.
One day later.
It's 19 December and it's finally just one day to go for annual functions. So all the classes from grade 6 to 11th have gathered here and we can see the final run through. Yes, this is without the costumes right now because those are a surprise for our parents tomorrow. Don't forget to come to annual functions. Although I guess this vlog will be posted after the annual functions have happened, but no worries. Let's have a look at this magnificent auditorium. It's like we are moving around with the props backstage. These props are also made by those students. What's your name? Tejaswita Singh. And which dance are you in?
Mahabharat dance.
Right. And you guys are all in the same dance?
Yes.
And I must say the props look beautiful and your practice looked beautiful too. We'll move on. We're moving to the backstage. And we are currently in the canopy area where students will be seated. And in this gate, through this gate, we'll enter, we'll exit, so that it's a seamless transition. Oh, I guess we've reached a dead end. Right, we reached a dead end. We should enter from here, right? Do we not have a way to reach the backstage? I think if we do some... Yeah, we find people walking from here. What are you guys doing? Just playing around. Why are you playing around? Why are you not doing something useful?
She is a previous band member and she's not participated in the annual function.
Oh.
So she's here to see the band performance.
Your name is?
Babri.
We have Vaibhavi here who is snitching against one of our members. Let's move on. Bro, there's so much energy here. The last day of annual functions, last day before annual functions, if I'm correct. And looks like the Kaurav Sena is heading outside. Let's look at the stage from over here. Come. I'm here with two girls who told me that they don't like that they are not in the video. So I'm taking them in the video, right?
Yes, yes. Hadya.
Nandini. And what do you want to do in the video?
Nothing. We just want to be recorded.
Right, so we have recorded them, so let's move on. Hi guys, I'm sitting here currently with Soumya, our creative director. So Soumya, what have you contributed yet? Nothing basically. She is a de facto creative editor. Ma'am.
Morning.
So we are on the final day of annual functions. I think it's very exciting right now, right?
Definitely, they all are very eager to present what they have actually learned and being trained throughout the weeks.
Talking about eager students, I've seen they are quite too eager. So how did you handle so many naughty students?
Few few of them are very enthusiastic, very kind of overconfident that definitely they are going to present well. But yet, after so much, like kind of much of scoldings, they are being finally trained, and I guess that they are going to give the best today.
They will give the best.
For sure.
Okay, thank you. We are going to scare Samriddhi. Papa.
Sir, I have a very important question. Sir, how I'm looking?
Pranav, you're looking smart like the upcoming Shah Rukh Khan of LVS.
Thank you very much, sir. So I got a very good review of the principals. That I'm looking very smart. Now let's take the review of the HMM also. Come on. HMM. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a very important question, ma'am. And how am I looking today?
You're looking handsome.
I got the review from the HMM also very nice. So today my
Tanishka's looking handsome too. Tanishka, pretty and handsome both.
ma'am, our cameraman. Let me show our cameraman also. So I got the review from HMM. Principals are very nice. So my day is going to be a very good day. Thank you, ma'am.
So you asked how you're looking. You never asked. I should also ask how am I looking.
Ma'am, you are looking very gorgeous, ma'am.
No, you're just trying to flatter me.
No, ma'am. Your body is very, very gorgeous, ma'am. You're looking very gorgeous. Yes, ma'am.
A few moments later.
Welcome to Annual Functions 2025. We are here and the day is finally here after so many days of practices and so many days of rehearsals. We can see the beauty of the auditorium. It's looking so majestic from the outside and the inside it's no less. Let's move to the inside of the auditorium and have a look.
Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
Is just about to start and I'll be the first speaker there, and as soon as it starts we'll kick off, we'll set the ball rolling, and I'm just waiting and everybody's waiting right now. All the parents are seated. It'll be like just a moment before everything begins, so I'll meet you there. So we are here inside the auditorium and we've got the stage, the main stage with beautiful performances. And if you look to the sides, we have got 2 projectors as well to ensure that all the parents have a wonderful view. We have got lights, we've got smoke machines, we've got so much today. It's going to be a blast. It has been a blast for all the students that have already participated. We have an additional stage on the side for the choir performances as well. It's going to be a fantastic day. Looks like we are having the Mahabharat dance right now, and we'll talk to a few parents as well in a bit when the sound subdues a little. So till then, enjoy the annual function. Pranav looks like guys, when stepped out of the auditorium, it feels so shivering. It feels like I'm in a different universe totally. I mean, inside the auditorium, it's so nice, it's so lighted, it's so warm. And as soon as we step outside, it's all chaos. It's so cold right now. I'm so thankful for the auditorium. And look at the beautiful, beautiful decorations here. I'll take a picture here.
How do you feel after performing this wonderful dance?
I guess I'm feeling very happy right now because this was my first annual function in Litva Valley Schools, and I guess the whole group did it very well, and we did uncoordinate or forget a few steps, but we did not show it, and as a team we did it, and it feels amazing.
Let's enter the canopy area right now. It's actually a third green room, should I say. We've got more green rooms in block A, and we've got green rooms behind the stage, but this is sort of a green room for everyone, for all performances. There's a direct entrance to the stage from here, there's the entrance to below the stage from here, and looks like it's been scattered because I'm recording after half the annual function has concluded, but no worries. If we look at the gate from over here, we can see the beautiful performance going on. We've got Chandan sir there, who is regulating the inflow and the outflow from the storage room. I'm sorry. So let's move forward. We are having a look at the annual function. I was not able to appreciate this beauty at that time, but we can look at the live art. These paintings were made during the program was going on. We have 3 such canvases. Let's have a look at these. 1, 3, and then the annual function decoration. Everything here is majestic. So the annual function has ended.